fun with those first numbers for Bellingham and Whatcom County. This is your Whiteboard Wednesday for March 9th, 2022. Welcome and thank you for joining us. You can see it's kind of a lot of the same with a little bit of an uptick in new listings for Bellingham. We are in a time of great inflation. You've heard me in the past talk about a recession, and I've always said a recession is a great thing to waste. And inflation, we're all concerned. We're seeing gas prices skyrocketing and all these crazy numbers. The best hedge against inflation is real estate. It's a fixed rate mortgage and things are going to appreciate over time. So don't sweep things underneath the carpet. Be proactive and look at these opportunities ahead of you. Clients of mine, you guys are using some different tools I provided you as client perks. Use those as discussion items with your spouse, your family, your mortgage lender, myself, and see if there's opportunity out there. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about today is perspective. And I'm hearing a lot of people saying, oh, this bubble's going to burst. This is just going to be, like that, what happened in 2006 to 2012 and that whole, boom and bust there, the Great Recession that we like to call it. So let's just take a look at, here is the last year median home prices in Bellingham, just residential. And you can see this just crazy growth in a 12-month period, right? So it leads us to those feelings like, oh my gosh, in our gut. Those of you who have been through it, I've been through a couple of these. That one was significant, but let's put this into perspective. A recession as well as inflation, they are normal things in a market, okay? They're gonna happen. There's opportunity. I like to say there's opportunity in chaos, right? So whatever the situation is, you've got to look for the opportunities to grow your wealth, grow your portfolio and whatnot. So here is going back to January 1st, 2006, down here in the lower corner, same Bellingham residential. Here we are today at the end, February 2022. See this situation right back here? That little blip on the screen, way down here. That's the Great Recession. Here we are, we're at a peak. And then our Great Recession took us down here. Look at where our peak is. I'm not saying we're guaranteed it's foolproof or anything, but if and when there is a recession and prices drop, or there's an adjustment or a correction in the market, every market has them. Well, look what it would take to get way back down to here. We've built ourselves an insane buffer, which is fantastic. The amount of equity in homes that you and your neighbors and friends and family have is higher than it's ever been, which is a great pattern in protection. So a bubble, will there be an adjustment? There always is in time. What is your greatest hedge against inflation, which is the biggest silent killer there is? A fixed rate mortgage. Many of you have refied. You've got your primary residence in a great position. What I would encourage you to do is, what do other markets look like? I can connect you with the best of the best across the country, or maybe locally you would like to look at a long-term rental as well. Certain places are meant for appreciation. Certain ones are meant for cash flow. You kind of want to decide on which one you want to do. So connect with me if you want more info. This is your Whiteboard Wednesday for March 9th, 2022. I look forward to seeing you next week. Have a great one, and I'll talk to you soon.